In this video, we are going to see how to set up Vue.js in Laravel project. So first, you need to create app.js inside resource.js folder. Inside JS folder, I have created layout folder, and inside that I have created app.v, where I have written some text in the template section. After that, you have to write div, and inside this div you have to assign app id, and you need to import app.js file here. After importing, you need to go here in app.js, which is inside resource.js folder. Inside resource there is a JS folder. Inside JS you will find out app.js, where we will import create app from Vue and app from app.vue, and here we will mount app, which is id, which we have defined inside welcome.blade page. So after we complete all this setup, our setup for Vue.js in Laravel will be completed. Let's see how it will work. Whenever you will call this route, it will redirect it to welcome page, where we have defined id and imported the app.js. In app.js we have created the app, and we have mounted the app id, which is defined inside welcome.blade.php, and this app will be, the content of this app.vue will be shown on the browser like this. So this is how you can set up Vue.js in Laravel. Thank you.